Hi all, Dave W02X. This is a quick video showing the programming for the West Mountain Radio RigRunner 10010i, which is 100 amps in, 10 output DC ports with Anderson power poles, each capable of up to 40 amps, and they're internet controllable through a web browser, and what we're doing is interfacing it to be controllable through Node-RED. So everything is integrated into a single web-based dashboard to control everything in the shack, including the WMI 10010i and the 4005i. So this is the Node-RED editor that we use, and this is what the programming looks like within Node-RED. It's node-based, these individual little nodes, and so what we're doing is there's an HTTP request node here, and all I'm doing is doing a post command to get the status every second, and then it's processed into these 10 buttons and another one that's displaying the DC input voltage. And on the dashboard here for my Node-RED, I've integrated it all the way on the right here. I have a module for DC power, and right now, as you can see, outlet number 2 is on. When they're off, they're gray and it says off. When they're on, it displays on and shows the current of that port. Right now I have nothing physically connected to the output ports, so it's going to show 0 amps. The voltage in is 14.49 volts, and by clicking on them you can turn them on and turn them off, and it gives you full control over the 10 DC ports on the 10010. The 4005i is the same, it's just limited to 5 ports instead of 10, so you would only see 5 buttons instead of the 10 buttons. Another nice feature of this is in Node-RED, I can program up a button if I wanted to turn on ports 1, 2, and 3 with the click of one button. I could send a command that will turn on all 3. It uses BCD logic for the port numbers, for the ports. So if I send a number 7, number 1 is 1, number 2 is 2, number 3 is 4. Binary 1, 2, 4, and so anyway, the bottom line is if I send a number 7, it could turn on all 3 ports at once or turn them all off. So it's nice if you have a single command in case of, say, lightning. I have a lightning detector here that goes out to one of the websites and detects if there's lightning in the area, and if there is, it'll do a controlled shutdown of things. So I can have it turn off several pieces of DC equipment with just one command. So again, West Mountain Radio is kind enough to loan me this 10010, and was able to write the Node-RED for it and be able to control the ports on and off. And pretty simple programming once it was done. And I've also scaled it down to the 4005i. Both of these Node-RED flows will be getting uploaded to the Node-RED site, so they'll be in the files section under relays, files by type and then relays. So this is Dave W02X. I hope you enjoyed this short demo of the programming in Node-RED for the RigRunner 4005i and the 10010i.